Hello everyone, thank you for clicking onto my video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a first time viewer, welcome, and to my returning viewers, welcome back. In today's video I will be showing you how I made pineapple rice for Thanksgiving. I wanted to make a rice dish and I saw this on Pinterest and I decided to make it. It's pretty simple. It's the same concept as making fried rice. So if you decided to give it a try, I hope that you will, and it will be easy to follow. It was just my mom and dad for Thanksgiving, so I wanted to make a rice dish, and this is what I decided to make. So let's get into the video. Yay! Alright guys, so this is what you'll need to make this. You'll need pineapples. You can use the one in the can or you can use the fresh pineapple fruit. You'll need bell peppers. It's completely optional. Onions, garlic, scallions, cilantro. You'll need rice. I showed you guys jasmine rice, but I ended up using brown rice, Uncle Ben's brown rice. You're going to need oil. You're going to need Worcester sauce, black pepper, paprika, Maggi cubes, salt. I use sea salt, and butter. And whatever other seasoning flavors you want to add, you can add that too. So the first thing you want to do is you want to wash all of your flavoring seasoning stuff as demonstrated in the video. I washed everything, and then you want to cut it up, and you want to cut things up as small as possible. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking here and you're gonna see how I did it. Alright, so after you finish cutting up everything, you want to get your pan, put it on the fire, and then put your oil in there. And then you want to go ahead and wash your rice. I cooked 4 cups of rice because I cooked enough to share with other people. And the oil that I used was vegetable oil, so you can use any oil of your choice. After the oil has been heated, you want to first pour your garlic into the pan and put the Maggi cube into the pan as well and just let it sit and ensure that the fire is not too high or it's not too low, because if it's too low then the oil won't be hot, but you want it to be medium heat. All right, and then you will add some of the onions that you cut up, some of the scallions, the peppers, whatever flavoring seasonings you have. You want to add some of it. You don't want to add all of it because you want to have some left over for when the rice is done cooking and you have to mix everything up, which you will see as the video progresses. So as you can see, I added some of my stuff and I'm just frying that up a little bit. I did wash my rice, but I didn't video that, or I didn't film that. So now I'm going to add some of the Worcester sauce. I love to use this sauce because it just makes everything taste really, really good. It's a really nice flavoring ingredient, and you can pick it up at Walmart or Sam's Club or Costco's or what's the other one? BJ's. So it's a really good stuff to have. And now I'm adding some dried thyme that I brought back from Guyana, and I'm just stirring all of that. That's helping to create the flavor that I want. And now I'm just adding the remainder of the onions. So the onions is the only ingredient that you want to add all of it to when you're frying everything up. Um, and now I'm gonna add all of my rice, and I'm just gonna let it parch for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'm going to add some water, which you're gonna see. Stir everything up, and I'm going to let that sit for a little bit before I add the water to it. And when you add the water, you want the water to be floating on the top. You don't want to add too much, but then you don't want to add too little, because the rice is going to, in a sense, steam until it's going to be cooked. So, just like what's being demonstrated here. After adding the water, you want to cover down the pot and make sure the fire is down to a medium heat, and then you just want it to cook. Mine took about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. So you want it to look like this when it's done. So I'm just testing the rice to ensure that it's soft enough, and it wasn't as soft as I wanted it, so I added a little bit more water and I let it steam for an additional 3 minutes, and then it was done. So now I set a bowl aside, and I'm just going to empty out all of the rice into this bowl. There's going to be burnt rice on the bottom. You want to throw that out. All right, and now you want to just add some butter. To me, what I figured with this is that not only does the butter give it a nice flavor, but it helps to loosen up the rice to me. So this is an optional part as well. You can add olive oil, or you don't have to add anything. So now I'm just adding a pinch of salt to give it a taste, because I don't use a lot of salt. So add salt to taste, and the remainder of the seasonings that I had left over, I'm just going to add it to the rice, and I'm just going to mix everything up, and I'm using a fork to fluff the rice and mix everything. And the last thing that I added was the pineapples. I used, like I said, I used the one in the can. The circle ones, I can't remember what they're called, but I cut those up, and then I added that, and I mixed everything, and that is how I made pineapple rice. I hope that it was easy to follow, and I hope that I made sense with my explanation. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I will try my best to get back to you as early as possible. If you do try it out, please let me know, and I will send you my email so you can email me pictures, and I will post them on my social media if you'd like me to do that. Alright, thank you again for watching, and take care. God bless you.